Okay, hello everyone. So we have this problem where it was posted in the group. So 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to 1 by 12. We are looking for the number of positive integral solutions. Now, in these set of problems, there are a lot of ways to do this, and you can try and remember this also. Just try to explain how it works. So first of all, let us multiply both the sides by 12xy. So we should have something like 12y plus 12x is equal to xy. Now let us take these two on this side. So what we have essentially is something like this equals to 0. If I take the x common from these two, we have y minus 12. And now what I'll forcibly do is we'll just forcibly write a y minus 12 here. We have this minus 12, so minus 12 taken out. Now, what we are doing is we are simply adding a 144 on the left side. So we should be adding a 144 on the right side as well. So now what we have is y minus 12 taken common. So what we have is y minus 12 into x minus 12 is equal to 144. So that is the essence of this problem actually. So what we have is in order to get the number of positive integer solutions of this equation, we can also try and find the number of positive integer solutions of this equation. So now, couple of observations here. Number one, as the right side is positive, so either both of this must be positive or both of this must be negative. But the question is, can both of these be negative? It might be coming to your mind that, okay, if x is positive, it is not mandatory that x minus 12 has to be positive, right? That is correct. And the same goes with y. If y is positive, y minus 12 can be negative. But the thing is, you have to understand the original equation. The original equation is 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to 1 by 12. Now here, if suppose, if x minus 12 is negative, then x is less than 12. And if x is less than 12, then 1 by x must be greater than 1 by 12. Remember, x is positive. So if x is less than 12, then 1 by x must be greater than 1 by 12. And with the other one also, if I have y minus 12 negative, the same thing applies. So we have 1 by y is greater than 1 by 12. Now how can both of these numbers be greater than 1 by 12 and add up to 1 by 12? So that is not possible, right? So both of these negative is not possible. So both of them has to be positive. So essentially what we are looking for is number of positive integer solutions of this thing. And what is this is simply the number of factors of 144, right? Because if this part takes up 1, this part takes up 144, the product is 144, this takes up to 72. So all possible factors would come out, right? Even the reciprocal is allowed because as x and y have been mentioned here, so variable names have been declared, so we are looking for ordered solution. So we are looking for all possible factors of 144, right? So all we have to do is find the number of factors of 144 would be, I guess, I think that was a mistake actually. It's 12 square, right? So 2 square, it's correct only, right? So 5 into 3, yeah, total of 15 factors. Another part, I'll just try to elaborate that straight away here itself. Suppose I have something like this 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 1 by 12. If I have something like this. So again, if I multiply 12xy, so what I have is, I'll write it in this way 2 into 12y plus 3 into 12x is equal to xy. Again taking the xy on this side, so xy minus 2 into 12y minus 3 into 12x equals to 0. I can take the y common, so what you have is x minus 2 into 12. Again, in this case, if I take the 3 into 12 common, so what I have is I should be making this x minus 2 into 12. So x minus 2 into 12, which would be equal to, now what do I need to do? I need to multiply this thing with this thing because this is the extra part being added. So what I have on the right side now is something like 2 into 3 into 12 square. So what I have is the final equation goes like this: x minus something, so that is 24 in this case, into y minus 36 is equal to 2 into 3 into 12 square. Again, the same thing applies and same thing everything, right? I mean, again, both of this cannot be negative because if x is less than 24, then 2 by x is less than 1 by 12. Again, same idea would happen. You can just test it out. So in this case, we are looking for what? The number of factors of this number. So see, what is this number? Where are we getting this number from? This 2 comes from here, the 3 comes from here, and the 12 square is basically this number. So we can generalize in this way. If I have a by x plus b by y is equal to 1 by k, the number of positive integer solutions will be the number of factors of a into b into k square. That will give us the total number of solutions of this equation. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you like it. Thank you.